Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create the meme templates for your pages without using any software for free in using a browser, just a browser. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser over any platform over your smartphones or personal computers. Now here you have to search for Clideo, which stands for CLIDEO.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Now here you need to just simply go to this option which says meme. Once you go over there, it will ask you to upload the file. It could be a video file or a GIF or an image. Once you do that, or you can just simply select the templates as well. Once you do that, just simply go with the process and generate the meme that you want. And once you are done with the process, you can directly download them. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.